Hello everyone, my name is Firestar, and this person you see before you is Sentinel. Today, me and him decided to do some 1v1s in my backyard. Let's see how they went.
Get to your base! Anyways, what is up everyone? Today, I'm going to be using my Matrix S4M4. Well, that's some of my magazines. Shooting pretty well. You ready? I'm all the way up there. Let's get this started. 3, 2, 1, go!
I am trying to go around this corner as safely and as slowly as I can, knowing that there is a fort right around it and that Sentinel could be hiding right behind waiting to just take my head off. At this point, I'm surprised I have not been shot at nor seen Sentinel, and I'm wondering where he could be hiding. I'm still going to play it a little safe until I know exactly where he is. At this point right here, my camera was taken off by a branch, and I frantically try to put it back on while facing down Sentinel.
You hit? That's the end of game one.
Welcome to round 2. If I win this round, since I won the last round, I will be declared the winner. But if Sentinel wins this, then we go into the final tiebreaker round to see who will be declared the winner. Let's see what happens.
What's up, bird? Alright. I'm not shooting at you! This is... What's up? Got my magazines. Alright. Ready! You ready to go? No.
At this moment, I realized that one of my magazine pouches was loose and I had to tighten it. I'm wanting to tighten this as fast as I can so I can intercept where Sentinel is going and hopefully hold him off.
Better watch it, Sentinel. That was pretty close. I've got an idea.
Right now, I'm thinking that I might be able to go down this trail and get behind Sentinel without him noticing me. Nope, this idea is definitely not gonna work.
Oh, it's getting pretty cold. It is very cold.
I was hoping that a Sentinel would come walking down the trail so I could shoot him from behind my fort, but that does not seem like the case. I can see him across the ravine, starting his way down the side of the hill, so I try to go and stop him before he can get out of range. Right now, I'm just going to sit and wait because I don't know if he's seen me not or yet. So I'm going to wait and see if he starts shooting at me.
safe either, but you know what? That was pretty close. Hit. Let's go. Yeah. That's why you should have run, dude.
Thank you all for watching. This was a really fun video to get to put together, and special thanks to Sentinel for coming over and letting me shoot him a couple of times. Make sure to click the subscribe button and turn your notifications on. I will be releasing a new video next weekend. Hope you all have a good rest of your day.